Rolling out of the Dunedin sheds comes New Zealand's latest steam locomotive, the latest and the last. She was built in '56, and we'll make no more like her, for the days of steam are passing. For many years yet, young boys and old boys will see the big steam engines leaving their trails of smoke behind them, huffing and puffing out history with every turn of their wheels. "50 miles an hour across the plains, and the Red Indians are far behind." With the coming of more efficient power, the JA, like other steam locomotives, will have to take a back seat. Taking it all in all, old engines will have to admit that the young fellows taking over are more than equal to the job.